My question is a little bit about autonomy, but also about giving us some coaching around maybe not going home today and saying, now we're going to have fun in our family. We are no longer about the outcome. Here's how we're going to do fun. And can you help us understand like the best ways to manage ourselves, manage our expectations around that?
Yeah, I think, one thing is for all these tips that we're hearing about in the course, I think baby steps, right? And particularly with fun. Catherine in her book tells a story of, she engaged in all these practices of finding herself more fun as like an adult and a parent. And she went to some dance class where, she was just with a random stranger who was a partner who clearly like was trying to have fun. And the whole time he was like, we're having fun. I'm having fun. I'm having fun under his breath. And that obviously didn't work for the having fun. So I think baby steps for all these things, but particularly for fun, I think you have to be in the mode of not doing it for extrinsic reward, right? If you're there because this is the way to enrich them and this is the way to like get them less stressed, it's just not going to work, right? And so I think genuinely finding ways that you can allow yourself to feel goofy, to allow yourself to feel absurd, can be really helpful. And I think that's why the fun factors are really important, right? There might be some people with whom, even if you wanted to not be goofy, you just can't help it, right? And so it's just kind of fun and goofy. And so I think that's the key is to like, when you notice the urge to like have to or should or any of those kind of that motivational vibe, just stop and kind of do something else. And so, but it takes a lot of reflection to sort of figure that out. So I think baby steps, it shouldn't be a should. It really kind of needs to have those fun parts to it for sure.